You know what I realized? Every holiday season, business owners suddenly turn into part-time designers, full-time procrastinators, and overtime stress balls. We're out here trying to post Thanksgiving content, Christmas content, promotions, engagement, and we end up posting absolutely nothing. Because who has the time? That's exactly why I made the Business Jingle Post Kit. It's 100 editable Canva templates, 50 for Thanksgiving and 50 for Christmas. And every single one is clever, motivating, or built to convert. So instead of staring at your screen like it's going to magically design something for you, you can literally plug in your brand logo and colors and boom, done. Click the link in my bio or description to grab it now before the holiday chaos takes over again.